Hello everyone, my name is Andy. Today is Saturday, October 14th. Time is around 8:45 GMT and we will have a look at the Nikkei futures on the Owanda platform. So it's Saturday, markets are closed, but we will have a look at the higher time frame and we will also prepare the lower time frame for Monday, October 16th. Here we are looking at the weekly chart, and my take on the Nikkei is that we made the wave 1 here in the higher degree from the March 2020 lows, 5 waves up. We end with divergence, typical for an impulse. Then we came down here, corrective structure WXY in my opinion, and we made a wave 2 low here, so we did not reach the 0.5 pip retracement for the wave 2, but I would say that's okay. We came quite close, and sometimes this happens if an instrument is quite bullish. And so this, after the wave 2 low, we saw quite a bullish move. So here we were struggling a bit to get out, to break out, but we were preparing. And so then here we saw a nice impulsive move here, and I believe this impulsive move is part of the wave 3 here. So from this low, if this is a wave 1, this is a wave 2 low. This means that we should be working here on this wave 3. And so the target area for this wave 3 is, if we take the length of our wave 1, the length of our wave 2, then the target area here is the area between the 1 and the 1.618 FIB extension. And because this is an impulsive wave, a wave 3 is an impulsive wave, we should again have 5 subwaves. And so I believe we are currently working here on this wave 3 of wave 3. And so yeah, in a minute we will have a closer look at how this wave 3 here is evolving. But so that's the bigger picture. This looks quite bullish. However, of course, there could also be a bearish scenario, and then the bearish scenario here on the weekly would look like an expanded flat structure, I believe. So that would mean that this wave 2 is not finished yet, but we are still working on it. And then what could happen is we came down here in a corrective in 3 waves as a wave A. And so from here, we might have seen a B wave up, so an overshooting B. This is what we do in an expanded flat structure. So you could say the wave B went quite high, but actually, as long as we stay here below the 1.236 FIB extension, that's quite okay for an expanded flat structure. But that would mean now that from here we come down in an impulse as a wave C. That would mean that we also take out this low, and that the wave 2 will be made somewhere here, and then probably also in the wave 2 area. So that would be the bearish scenario in the weekly. However, for the moment, there is not really a reason to make this scenario my primary scenario. Simply because our low is here, current price action is here, there is quite some separation, and also here the start of this move down does not really look impulsive for now. It looks very corrective, and a wave C should be impulsive, and this is actually not really what we are seeing at this moment. This looks more like a wave 4 for the moment, and this is also what I assume in my primary scenario. So we can move on to my primary scenario here in the daily. And so I told you that I believe we are working here on this wave 3. And again, a wave 3 is an impulsive wave. So an impulsive wave should consist of 5 sub-waves. And so from here, from the wave 2 low, I believe we made a wave 1, retested the low here in a wave 2, and then from here we saw a wave 3 up. A wave 3 which is finished right here, in my opinion. And so I think now we are working on the wave 4, or the wave 4 is already in. Like, we are for the moment in the wave 4 area. So we have price action right now in the wave 4 area. So if we take the length of the wave 3 here, then this area here between the 0.146 and 0.618 is the area where the wave 4 should go. So we entered the area, and I believe there is a chance that we finished the wave 4 right here, but this is something I can explain better on the 4 hours. So let's go to the 4 hour. So I think here we are actually printing quite a nice structure here as a wave 4. So I believe this wave 4 is unfolding as a WXY pattern. And so here, like from this high, we had the first perfect corrective leg as a wave W. Look at the beautiful composition of this wave W. It was also it is constructed as another WXY pattern, and if we take the length of the wave W, the length of the wave X, then here perfect reaction from the equal leg area. From here we went up again 3 moves up as an ABC to make our wave X. And then from here we came down again, a very nice corrective structure. So in my previous videos, I told you that there was quite a high probability that this here would be a low, and it also turned out that way. We had a very nice reaction from this area. So we reached two reversal areas. And we had a very nice reaction from there. So first of all, if we take the length here of the wave W, the length of the wave X, then the first reversal area was the area here between the 1 and the 1.618 FIB extension, which was the area of our wave Y. And then secondly, this wave Y also unfolded as a WXY structure. And here again, if we take the length of the wave W, the length of the wave X, then we should expect a reaction from the area between the 1 and the 1.618 FIB extension. Look, we touched it, and we shoot up from here. So that means that we have a mature corrective move from here, WXY. And then this actually means that the wave 4 can be over right here. This can be the wave 4 low. We are in the wave 4 area. We have the swings that we should have. This correction is mature. The only way that I see now to correct more, or to have a bigger correction as a wave 4, would be a 333 corrective move here, indicated in red as a WXYXZ pattern. The problem is, like, the wave 4 space is limited right here. It seems a bit unlikely that we can do another WXY structure right here if we have to stay into this area. Of course, if we do not stay in the wave 4 area, then we are in a completely different scenario. then we might be in the scenario that I explained here in the weekly, that we get an impulse down here. So if this wave 4 area is not holding, then we can get the wave C down here. But if we have to hold the wave 4 area, there are two possibilities in my opinion. As indicated here in the primary scenario, the wave 4 is in, or we have one more leg down here as a wave Z, and then we get a triple tree correction. So these are the two possibilities that I see right now in the 4 hour. But my primary scenario would be that the wave 4 low is in here, and that we start to move up from here. We had the first nice impulsive move. However, this move is not finished yet, in my opinion. So if we go to the 1 hour, excuse me, I believe there are two possibilities to interpret this move up. First of all, it looks like this is unfolding as an impulse. And this would be a confirmation that the wave 4 low is in. If the wave 4 low is in, we should start a wave 5, and a wave 5 is an impulsive wave, which means, or wave 1 should be an impulse. And for now, we have 3 swings, 1, 2, 3, and we are in the wave 4 area here on the lower degree. So if this is our wave 3 and this is the end of our wave 2, or the start of our wave 3, then if we take the length here of our wave 3, then here the area between the 0.382 and the 0.618 FIB retracement, is the area where the wave 4 should go. Also here, we could identify already a corrective structure. The wave 4 is unfolding as a WXY pattern, in my opinion. And so we can again be more specific about the wave 4 area. If we take the length of the wave W, the length of the wave X, then we should get reaction from this area here between the 1 and the 1.618 FIB extension. So my primary expectation would now be to have a reaction from this area, and then we need to see this fifth wave up here, ending here, somewhere here, with divergence, and then this wave 1 would be finished. When we finish this wave 1, then I would expect pullback here as a wave 2 down, corrective structure down, kind of to test this low, and then this low has to hold. And if this low holds, then I think we are ready for to start our wave 5. However, if we do not get our fifth wave here, so if this area does not hold, if we take out here the lower boundary of this wave 4 area, then I think we have to consider here the triple tree correction in the wave in the 4 hour, because then as long as we do not get an impulse, if this stays a corrective structure, it means that we are moving in a corrective way. And if we are moving in a corrective way, then we have to look here at the corrective structure, at the extended corrective structure in the 4 hour. But for now, let's now see if this wave 4 holds here. This area holds. If we get our reaction as a wave 5, if we do, then the next step is to get a wave 2 here and to test this low. This will be the real test of the NIKKEI, and if it does, then I think we will move up or we started our wave 5 to the upside. If this turns out to be a corrective structure, so if this does not hold right here, then we have to put our focus on the extended corrective structure as a triple tree correction. Okay, that's my analysis for today. If you enjoyed it, please like, subscribe, comment to support my work. And I see you back on Monday for another analysis of the Nikkei, a lower time frame analysis. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. Bye bye.